Hello, Tech One students. This is Mr. Dowd, and this is another lesson using Sketch.io, also known as Sketchpad. Sketch.io is the website, and Sketchpad is the app that we use, in this case, using to demonstrate the tools to create lines, shapes, and text of different colors. So the big idea is graphic arts design basics. And the essential question is, how can I use technology drawing tools to create lines, shapes, text, and colors? Now, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn how to create lines, shapes, text, and apply colors in Sketchpad. And why are we going to learn it? We're going to learn it so that we can create effective graphic arts products. That is effective graphic arts. Oh, digital arts products, I'm sorry. And how are we going to learn it? We can do this by watching and listening to a video and drawing with the tools in Sketchpad. So first, some vocab. We are going to look at some fairly simple words, but we're going to look at them in the context of graphic design. And if at this point you've been listening and you're thinking, oh, Mr. Dowd, we did this in preschool. I have all of my life been identifying shapes and lines and letters and colors. That is true. However, all of these concepts not only touch into things like math when we talk about shapes and geometry, but science when we talk about color. And again, we're going to look at these terms in the context of the graphic arts. So line is one of the elements of design. A line is a mark or a series of marks on a page or screen that is longer than it is thick. A line can be on its own, or it can be part of a shape. And it is one of the core concepts of effective design. Line. Everyone say it. The next is shape. Shape, again, is a key concept in the graphic arts. It is an object on a page or screen that has a specific form, and it is defined by lines. Everyone say it. Text, something at school you're more than familiar with. Your textbook is literally named with part of this term. Letters or marks used to form words, acronyms, initials, or the letter forms used in logos on a page or a screen. Text is all around you, even more so in the digital age. And it is a very important part of design also. Finally, color. I really had to stop and think, well, what is color? I mean, I could give you examples like red or blue or orange, but how do you define it? And doing some research, I came up with a quality of an object on a page or screen caused by the light reflected off of the object and measured by hue. Hue is a way of defining the color. Red is a hue, blue is a hue, though the different hues that are part of color. Color is reflected light. Here's a tricky one, though. If you're staring at a monitor, is the light reflecting off the monitor, or are your eyes actually seeing the light that is pushed out of the monitor from the backlight? I did a little research and I'm not 100% sure, but I believe that your screen, like on your phone or the monitor, is pushing light out. And all right. Oh, everyone say it, color. All right, folks, the next video is going to show you how to use the tools in Sketchpad.